Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beneath the ancient city of Petra? Join us as we uncover astonishing discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew about this mysterious, ancient wonder. Hey there, history enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the mysteries of Petra, the rose-red city of Jordan, a masterpiece of Nabatean civilization. Get ready to explore the hidden wonders and surprising astronomical alignments recently discovered that are reshaping our understanding of ancient societies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest explorations. For years, scientists have been captivated and confounded by the enigmatic secrets concealed beneath the rose-red cliffs of Petra, Jordan. This ancient city, masterfully carved from vibrant sandstone, is a treasure trove of mysteries eagerly awaiting discovery. Petra, often referred to as the Lost City, dates back to the 4th century BCE. By the 1st century BCE, it had risen to prominence as the capital of the Nabatean kingdom, set amid a stunning landscape of red, white, and pink cliffs. Petra was not only a marvel of ancient architecture but also a bustling hub of commerce. It strategically connected several major trade routes, linking distant lands such as China, India, Southern Arabia, Egypt, Syria, Greece, and Rome. This central position made Petra a melting pot of cultures and a pivotal point in the exchange of goods, ideas, and technologies. The city's elaborate rock-cut architecture and advanced water management systems stand as testaments to the ingenuity and sophistication of the Nabateans, drawing researchers and explorers from around the world to uncover its hidden stories and forgotten history. Petra's architectural wonders include the iconic Al-Khazna, the treasury, Ad-Dir, the monastery, and numerous tombs, temples, and a sophisticated network of aqueducts and cisterns. These structures, carved directly into the cliffs, showcase an extraordinary level of craftsmanship and engineering prowess. The treasury, with its intricate facade and Hellenistic influences, has become a symbol of Petra's grandeur and mystery. The Nabateans were masterful in their ability to harness and manage water in the arid desert environment. They constructed an extensive system of channels, dams, and reservoirs to collect and store water, ensuring the city's survival and prosperity. This hydraulic engineering feat not only supported the population but also facilitated agriculture and trade. Recent archaeological discoveries have shed light on Petra's complex history, revealing it to be a vibrant and cosmopolitan center. Excavations have unearthed artifacts from various cultures, including pottery, jewelry, and coins, indicating the extensive trade networks and cultural exchanges that occurred in Petra. Additionally, inscriptions and texts found in the city provide insights into the Nabatean language, religion, and social structure. Despite these discoveries, many aspects of Petra's history remain shrouded in mystery. The exact reasons for its decline and abandonment are still debated among scholars. Some suggest that changes in trade routes and natural disasters, such as earthquakes, contributed to the city's gradual decline. Others believe that the Roman annexation of the Nabatean kingdom played a significant role. Today, Petra stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Its breathtaking beauty and historical significance continue to draw visitors and researchers alike. As scientists delve deeper into the mysteries of Petra, they not only uncover the secrets of an ancient civilization but also gain a greater appreciation for the resilience and ingenuity of the people who once thrived in this remarkable city. Petra's strategic location and advanced engineering, including a complex network of dams and water canals, supported its population and agriculture under severe desert conditions. For centuries, Petra was a bustling center of politics, culture, and economy. However, it fell into obscurity, shrouded in mystery, particularly in the Western world, until it was reintroduced in the early 19th century by Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt. Recently, scientists have discovered something astonishing during the equinox: surprising astronomical alignments on Petra's great facade and columns. These findings challenge our understanding of past civilizations and expose unexpected complexities. Historical records, including the Bible, referred to Petra as Sela, revealing its lengthy history before becoming known as Petra. In 2017, Dr. Tom Paradise and his team made a groundbreaking discovery while studying Petra's infamous Main Street. They uncovered massive beds of very white sandstone, which is unusual given Petra's location surrounded by red sandstone hills. Dr. Paradise's deeper investigation led to the conclusion that Petra may have been affected by a gigantic flood, further evidenced by the city's advanced water management systems designed to handle flash floods. One of the most exciting recent discoveries is a massive structure uncovered beneath Petra's dunes. Using satellite imagery, drone photography, and ground assessments, archaeologists found an enormous platform, approximately the length of an Olympic swimming pool and twice its width. This structure, unique in Petra, likely had a public ceremonial purpose, suggesting significant public gatherings and rituals. Beyond these findings, Petra continues to surprise us. Excavations have revealed human remains, ceremonial altars, and offerings, indicating substantial religious activity in Petra. These findings suggest that the city was not only a commercial and political hub but also a significant center for religious and ritualistic practices. The presence of altars and offerings points to the Nabateans' spiritual beliefs and their intricate rituals, shedding light on the ceremonial aspects of their daily lives. The Al-Khazna, or the treasury, remains a focal point of Petra, captivating visitors with its intricate carvings and towering facade. This iconic structure, hewn directly from the rose-red sandstone, embodies the grandeur of Nabatean architecture. The detailed Hellenistic design, featuring ornate Corinthian columns, friezes, and sculptures, highlights the blend of local and classical influences that characterized Nabatean art and architecture. Standing at approximately 39 meters high, the treasury's facade showcases the Nabateans' exceptional skill in stone carving and their ability to create monumental structures that have withstood the test of time. While its exact purpose remains a subject of debate, ranging from a tomb to a treasury or a temple, the Al-Khazna continues to be a symbol of Petra's enduring legacy and architectural brilliance. In addition to the treasury, the city's landscape is dotted with numerous other significant structures, including the monastery, Ad-Dir, the royal tombs, and the Great Temple. Each of these edifices offers a glimpse into the advanced engineering techniques and artistic sensibilities of the Nabateans. The monastery, larger and less ornate than the treasury, provides a panoramic view of the surrounding valleys and highlights the Nabateans' ability to integrate their constructions seamlessly with the natural environment. These monumental structures, along with the recent discoveries of religious artifacts and human remains, paint a vivid picture of Petra as a thriving urban center with a rich cultural and spiritual life. The combination of Petra's architectural splendor, strategic importance, and religious significance continues to captivate researchers, historians, and tourists, making it one of the most fascinating archaeological sites in the world. As excavations and studies progress, each new finding adds depth to our understanding of this ancient city's remarkable history and the people who once called it home. These discoveries are not only reshaping our understanding of Petra but also highlighting the city's importance in ancient times. From its strategic trade routes to its sophisticated urban planning, Petra was a marvel of its time, capable of supporting a thriving civilization in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Outro. What do you think of these incredible discoveries? Could there be even more secrets buried beneath Petra's sands? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into ancient mysteries and historical wonders. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.